Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to make subject emphasis masks. Start by opening your image and duplicating the background layer to keep your edits flexible and non-destructive. Then create an initial selection of the main subject using the Object Selection tool. Switch into Mask Overlay mode to refine edges carefully, ensuring clean outlines around hair, clothing, and important details. Once the mask is applied, separate the subject from the background and begin enhancing emphasis by adjusting brightness, contrast, or clarity using clipped adjustment layers. Slightly darkening or softening the background while keeping the subject crisp helps guide viewer attention naturally. Optional enhancements include